cooling tower with the drift eliminator. In some cases, the people want to eliminate the drift losses very minimum, or they have to completely avoid the drift losses. So in that cases, the people will be using a cooling tower with the drift losses. If you are using cooling tower with the drift eliminator, if you are using a cooling tower with the drift eliminator, your formula for drift losses is equal to 0.001 into C divided by 100, where C is nothing but circulating water in meter cube per hour, where it means that what 0.001% of circulating water will be the drift losses for your cooling tower with drift eliminator. If you have the cooling tower with the drift eliminator, that will be the drift losses.